NCNA stock analysis and price predictions for 14th of July, Monday. Is NuCana PLC stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief, short 1-minute video. And as the only person in the space done 43,000 videos over 5 years, I have seen what's printing me money and what's not. I'm not just saying this just to say it, they like literally have all the proof documented. And especially with NCNA, is that beforehand I had bearish bias, and then I was like, there's a shift, I'm looking to take it further up for a second time. There was no second break, so I kind of gave up on this. It went the complete opposite way, which I, again, so be it, you know, like rules never got met, no trades got taken there. And I see the price melting. So what is the likelihood that we keep going further lower? Quite high, but like randomly selling will just not be doing it for me. So yeah, it's just a bearish mark. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.